Epicenter and Agoracom TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Tuesday, December the 7th, I've got great press release for you out of the resource space, out of China, out of the U.S. I've got it all. First up, Gold Group Mining trades on the big board TSX on the stock symbol GGA. Big news announcement today. Headline, 332.86 grams ton of gold over 5.5 meters, including 2,424 grams per ton of gold over 0.75 meters. That's a massive number. Company started trading today at $1.35 to $1.38 after closing yesterday at $1.15. So the market's really hot on this news. This comes in partnership with Dyna Resources, also trades in the U.S. on the stock symbol DYNR. That's on the pinks. This initial drilling from their current 18,500 meter diamond drilling program. This is on their San Jose de Garcia project in Mexico. A lot of great things happening in Mexico. Unbelievable news is coming out of there. The company says they've encountered very significant, that's their quote, very significant gold mineralization. Hole 10203. I gave you the headline numbers. The depth there was between 70.5 meters to 76.15 meters. Pretty great. And the company says they anticipate releasing additional drill results in the near future. That's basically telling you, look for drill results pretty much imminently. A little bit about the project, San Jose de Garcia. It's 100% owned by Dyna Mexico, which obviously is some kind of a joint venture between the two companies. Gold Group right now owns 25%. However, they are in the process of completing the earn-in for an additional 25%, for a total of 50% by expending $4.5 million by March 15th, 2011. The remaining interest held by Dyna USA, and the project hosts a 43101 compliant mineral resource estimate, so definitely worth going to take a look at. A little bit about Gold Group. They're a Canadian-based exploration and gold production company. Important, we like that. They're focusing exclusively in Mexico. They own and operate the Cerro Colorado gold mine in Sonora, Mexico, and they've got a project in Veracruz that they say is moving to production. So a lot of good news potential coming out of the company. They finished the financing at $1 just a little while ago. They've had a lot of news come out. Closed yesterday, like I said, $1.15. Their 52-week high is $1.25. That's a closing price. They've broken it this morning. Got to see if it closes above that. But I'm going to see myself if I can get in somewhere around that range as well. But trading at $1.35, $1.38 last time we looked. Congratulations to Dave Fry and his team over there. Next up, Carmanah Technologies trades on the big board TSX on the stock symbol CMH. They've been in the news a lot with Agoracom over the past few years. We've followed them. They seem to be doing great work. Just can't get into the mainstream as far as the mass online investor audience. Nonetheless, they're awarded a $5 million solar photovoltaic contract by Northland Power. These are 4 contracts according to the company with a combined value of $5 million. That's Canadian. They're going to design, supply, and install solar photovoltaic rooftop systems for a national retailer and distributor. So that's great because you're talking about a commercial enterprise kind of deal. Northland Power, which is one of Canada's largest independent power producers, selected Carmanah due to its history of successful turnkey solar installations in this commercial space. The company actually says they're the most experienced contract in the commercial rooftop market. They've got more deals than anybody there. They've designed and constructed more than 50 rooftop solar photovoltaic installations to date. Some of their clients include City of Toronto Police Services Building, Toronto Parking Authority, David Suzuki Public School, and the John Canfield Government Building in Prince Edward Island. So they've done some great work. We like to see that commercial acceptance. And by the way, that last project also was awarded the 2008 Solar Project of the Year. So they're doing great stuff, but the stock's trading at 55 cents. 52-week high, 87. 52-week low, 47. So a really tight range. It's only got 23 million shares outstanding from what we understand. So you're talking about a company with market cap about $12 million, and they get multi-million-dollar contracts. So it might be worth you taking a look at. This could be one of those diamonds in the rough. Got to do your own due diligence. Switching over to China, staying in the energy space, China-backed battery, NASDAQ, CVAK, has received a $7.5 million subsidy for their high-power lithium battery project. We like that. The company is a manufacturer of lithium-based battery cells. This award went to their wholly owned subsidiary for an automated high-power lithium battery project. The project was previously selected as a key project for the PRC, that's People's Republic of China, National High-Tech Research and Development Program. It's for use in light electric vehicles and hybrid electric vehicles. So that wholly owned subsidiary looks like deals on the bigger end, but China-backed itself produces battery cells used in rechargeable batteries for cellular phones, notebook computers, and portable consumer electronics are on the smaller side. So I like that diversity. Closed yesterday, $1.70, way off its 52-week high of $3.70. So go take a look at that, and not that far off its low of $1.33. But anytime you see news like this, you got to like it. Go take a closer look. And finally, in the non-resource space, because not all that glitters is gold, we've got Wireless Telecom Group, trades on the AMEC, WTT. I really like this. They're awarded a $1.5 million contract from the U.S. Navy. This went to their wholly owned subsidiary, Bunton Electronics. It's for a peak power meter. Try saying that 5 times really fast. In support of a Naval Sea Systems Command project. So you're talking about a multi-million-dollar, talking about a project over $1 million. You're talking about the Navy. So it's a great customer. That tells me this company's got great products. The company says that the $1.5 million contract, most of it, a considerable portion of it, is expected to be realized over the next 2 years. So it's a smaller contract over 2 years. Nonetheless, a great sign. Company closed yesterday, just over 78 cents. 52-week high, $1.14. 52-week low, 60 cents. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Great news today. If you're watching this on Globe Investor and you're looking for more great resource companies, look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, in order to find more great leads. If you're watching this on Agoracom, or if you're watching this on one of our syndication partners at YouTube or somewhere else, get up to the front page of Agoracom. Watch this show. Take a look at the best press releases on our front page and get into the directory to discover your next great small cap investment. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.